I'm warmly inviting you to join me and your spiritual community starting March the 24th until April the 4th at 6 a.m. until 7 a.m. via Zoom for a magnificent experience to reset your nervous system, completely balancing all your solar centers, aka the chakras, as well as awaken and activate your Kundalini goddess energy. 22 minutes of chanting the long Ekankars, which holds the 8 golden keys of liberation within this Thunderbolt mantra sound code, will bring you into a less reactive state of being by erasing patterns within subconscious blocks that are holding you back. This experience will create an immediate positive effect, a literal impact on the primal parts of the brain, so that you become reprogrammed into becoming highly intuitive. You will be able to clearly make the best decisions for yourself, along with creating extraordinary shifts in your life, because this sound code literally floods your entire blood supply with these vibrational messages and frequencies of hope and gratitude that are all within this mantra, these ancient sound codes. Join me for this 11-day meditation challenge. Recorded replays will be available. You can create this access by going on our website, kundalinisanctuary.com, and making a suggested donation of $11 for 11 days of excellence and liberation. The long Ekankars Thunderbolt Mantra, March 24th till April the 4th via Zoom. Satnam.